Hey, what's up guys? We're back. So today me and Aliyah, we're gonna be cooking today. We're gonna be making some crepes. Here we go. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be, like I said earlier, we're gonna be making some crepes. Me and Aliyah. She's gonna help me. She's gonna be my sous chef. And let's get to it guys. So we're gonna be using flour for, well, you don't have to use this brown, it's el rosal. You can use any type of flour, really. So we're gonna be doing 1 cup of flour. I don't know if this is a cup. Let's see. So 1 cup. Next we're gonna put in our 2 huevos, two eggs.
You have 2 huevos.
2 huevos. Get it.
Big up.
I don't have pebbles. What does one tell another one?
I don't know.
I'm the one and only. Do this one hand, because, you know, I'm an expert.
Your sous chef's crying.
I know. Here, you want to break an egg? No.
She's helping you.
I know she's helping me. Come on.
It's just...
So, we're gonna put some milk in here.
Sorry, I'm not paying attention.
Half a cup of milk. Then I have to melt 2 tablespoons of melted butter in it. You gotta put water in it or milk. You either use both. You gotta make it super thin, like if it's watery pancakes, so they don't get too fluffy and people think, oh, you just make pancakes. You look, these are better. I like it, well, in my opinion. Other people have their own opinions. Aliyah can't try these yet, but soon she will. She's too little still. So, grab a cup.
Breaks glass.
What's wrong, sous chef? Why are you crying? So, put like 30 seconds to melt the butter.
To an hour?
What?
30 seconds to an hour?
No, 30 seconds. And then pop. That means it's done.
That means it's gonna explode on you.
The cup's not even hot, so it's good.
That's what they say before it goes boom and explodes.
So yeah, guys. So we put the butter in here, melted butter. You can see that right there. So next we gotta put some salt in it and mix it up. You're Mexican, you know every Mexican household has one of these.
Mine don't.
Either one of these or
One of the
or an animal or some sort of salt shaker.
I'm Mexican. My mom doesn't have one in her house. Explain that.
She has the one that... The grinder one.
What,
right?
Smokey?
Doesn't she have the grinder looking one?
Yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong, Mama?
It's me and Aliyah's cooking show. Ooh. 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 Gotta keep mixing. Try and make it watery, so gotta put a little more milk in it. Or water. Well, I'll put water. Gives it a different flavor. Gotta easily put a little by little and mix it until it's so good. Until it gets like watery, but not too watery because then you just mess it up. And fun fact, guys, I took a French class in high school, and that's how I learned how to make these.
Speak French.
Why? It's been a while. I never practiced. Haven't practiced.
When did we go to France?
Yeah, France.
Hey, you can speak to them.
I'm gonna try my best.
Why couldn't you take like Chinese or like Spanish?
Because it wasn't Spanish, Mexican Spanish. It was more. It was Spanish from Spain.
Well, then we could have gone to Spain.
So if you guys ever took a Spanish class in high school, they were teaching you the correct Spanish, but prefer speaking the other Spanish, the Mexican Spanish. So look at that texture. It's a pretty good texture. Aliyah, you want to lick the spoon?
Ew.
What are you licking?
You have a pimple on your face.
Why are you zooming in?
I didn't. It doesn't have to. It's that big. Okay, what's next, Chefy?
Turn on the pan.
And then let it warm up.
Let it warm up. Now we're gonna put some pan on the pan.
Is it Pan or Pam?
Pan on the pan. Like Pam Beasley from The Office. Pan.
Your hand, yeah, your hand was
Pan. Ka-pam. Gotta put some on there so it don't stick.
Your sous chef's mad.
She's hangry.
I'm hangry too.
I know you're hangry. That's why I'm eating.
Should the pan be steaming like that?
Yeah, it should.
Profusely?
No.
Mm. Shut up.
Just like that. Look.
For chunky?
Yeah.
Yeah, Smokey. What's wrong? Your other daughter's crying.
Smokey, what's wrong? Mom. What?
The cereal fell out of her mouth when she was talking.
Yeah. Yeah, pour a little bit.
Nope, she dropped it. It looks a little thick there, but okay.
Soda break. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Aliyah. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, it's really good actually. No, I'm not flipping it, but
So approximately how long do you cook these for?
Till they're golden brown. To golden brown like that.
Can I put Nutella on it? I want a bite.
Yes. Nutella, sponsor us. Nutella is not the sponsor of this video. But you guys should sponsor us. It's hot.
Mama!
Sous chef.
Mama! Guys, so the baby's been doing Smokey her treat. Like her food, but for Smokey.
Ooh. Decorations. Delicious or what?
Yeah, I only makes crepe when I ask for them.
Yeah, that's the only time I make them. And that's what we call a perfect crepe.
I don't know if it's that perfect. Smokes. Because of what's it found?
Look, it's the sous chef. Yeah?
Hey! Hey, baby!
So yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for our video. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and our next video we're gonna cook something more amazing than the crepes. Bye.
Say, I want her the most.